Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Are you looking for best devices? Don't worry, go through the video. Here you will find all the latest and the best devices of all time. Today we are making videos on best-selling AirPod of 2023. If you like the product and want to buy them, then go through the description box, where the links of the product. Product 1. Product name: HonorPad 8. The HonorPad 8 is a feature-packed tablet that offers a remarkable user experience with its impressive specifications and cutting-edge technology. This global version of the HonorPad 8 boasts a 12-inch 2K eye protection screen, providing users with a stunning visual experience characterized by sharp, high-resolution graphics and eye comfort features to reduce strain during extended use. Under the hood, the HonorPad 8 is powered by a robust octa-core processor, ensuring smooth and responsive performance for a wide range of tasks, from productivity to multimedia consumption. With 128 GB of internal storage, users have ample space to store their files, apps, and media content. One standout feature of the HonorPad 8 is its audio capabilities, featuring a total of 8 speakers. This configuration promises immersive and high-quality audio playback, making it ideal for watching movies, playing games, or listening to music without the need for external speakers or headphones. Connected and productive for longer periods. The inclusion of this technology is especially beneficial for users on the go. Furthermore, the HonorPad 8 is known for its ultra-thin design, making it both stylish and highly portable. This slim form factor ensures that the tablet is easy to carry around. Product 2. Product name: HonorPad X8. The HonorPad X8 is a versatile tablet offering a 10.1-inch HD large screen with a focus on eye protection and a sleek, ultra-slim design. As a global version, it's designed to cater to a wide audience and offers both Wi-Fi and LTE connectivity options. One of the standout features of the HonorPad X8 is its octa-core MTK8786 processor, which ensures smooth and efficient performance for various tasks, including web browsing, multimedia consumption, and productivity. With this powerful processing capability, users can expect a responsive and lag-free experience, whether they are streaming videos, playing games, or multitasking. The tablet's 10.1-inch HD display provides a crisp and clear visual experience, making it ideal for activities like watching movies, reading ebooks, or browsing the web. Additionally, the HonorPad X8 emphasizes eye protection, which is essential for extended usage periods. This feature helps reduce headaches without discomfort. The inclusion of both Wi-Fi and LTE connectivity options ensures that users can stay connected wherever they go. Whether you're at home, in a cafe, or on the move, you can enjoy internet access without limitations, making it a suitable choice for both work and leisure. Overall, the HonorPad X8 offers a well-rounded package with its large HD screen, powerful octa-core processor, and eye protection features. Its combination of Wi-Fi and LTE connectivity ensures that users can stay connected while enjoying a wide range of apps. Product 3. Product name: HonorPad X9. The HonorPad X9 is a notable tablet in the global market, offering an impressive set of features designed to cater to a wide range of users. One of its standout features is its 11.5-inch 2K display with a 120Hz refresh rate, promising a visually immersive and smooth user experience. This high-resolution display ensures vibrant colors and sharp visuals, making it suitable for tasks like media consumption, gaming, and productivity. Under the hood, the HonorPad X9 is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 685 processor. This chipset provides the tablet with a robust performance capable of handling multitasking, gaming, and demanding applications with ease. The tablet's large 128 GB storage capacity further enhances its usability, allowing users to store a vast amount of data, media files, and applications without worrying about running out of space. One of the tablet's distinguishing features is its ultra-thin design, which makes it a design element ensures that users can carry it comfortably and use it on the go without adding unnecessary bulk to their bags or backpacks. Overall, the HonorPad X9 appears to be a well-rounded tablet, blending a high-quality display, powerful performance, and ample storage in a slim and stylish form factor. These features make it a compelling option for users seeking a versatile tablet for various purposes, whether it's for entertainment, work, or creative tasks.